Hello, in this video, we will be learning about schemas for multidimensional data models. Multidimensional data models can exist in the form of a star schema, a snowflake schema, or a fact constellation schema. Star schema is the most common modeling paradigm which is used for data warehouse. It contains a central large table, which is also called as fact table, which contains the bulk of the data with no redundancy. And secondly, it contains a set of smaller attendant tables, which are also called as dimension tables, one for each dimension. The schema graph resembles a starburst with the dimension tables displayed in radial pattern around the central fact table. In the star schema, each dimension is represented by only one table and each table contains a set of attributes. Here in this diagram, we can see star schema which contains one fact table and four different dimension tables. Each dimension table is described by several attributes like time is described by these attributes, branch is described by these two attributes, item is described by these four attributes, and location is described by these four attributes. Apart from that, each dimension table contains time key, or like here branch key, here we have item key, and here we also have location key. These different key attributes, they are present also in fact table, but here they are as foreign key. So these attributes like time key, branch key, item key, location key, they help these dimension tables to connect with the fact table. The next schema is snowflake schema. The snowflake schema is a variant of the star schema model where some dimension tables are normalized, thereby further splitting the data into additional tables. The resulting schema graph forms a shape similar to a snowflake. Like here we can see this item table has been further splitted into supply table, and the this location table is further splitted into city dimension table. So the single dimension table for item is normalized in the snowflake schema, resulting in new item and supplier tables. So here we have reduced number of attributes in item, and some of the attributes are shifted in the supplier table. Dimension tables of the snowflake model are kept in a normalized form to reduce redundancies. Such a table is easy to maintain and saves storage space. But this space savings is negligible in comparison to the typical magnitude of the fact table. Furthermore, the snowflake structure can reduce the effectiveness of browsing since more joins will be needed to execute a query. Consequently, the system performance may be adversely impacted. Hence, although the snowflake schema reduces redundancy, it is not as popular as the star schema in data warehouse design. The next model is fact constellation. Sophisticated applications may require multiple fact tables to share dimension tables. This kind of schema can be viewed as a collection of stars and hence is called a galaxy schema or a fact constellation. Fact constellation is a schema for representing multi-dimensional model. It is a collection of multiple fact tables having some common dimension tables. It can be viewed as a collection of several star schemas and hence also known as galaxy schema. So here we can see that we have multiple fact tables one fact table for sales and another fact table for shipping. And as we have learned, these fact tables contains numeric measures like here dollars sold and units sold are numeric measures, and in shipping dollars cost and units shipped, these are two different measures. Fact table also contains several foreign keys like item key, time key, shipper key, and from location key. Similarly, here we have time key, item key, branch key, and location key. So this fact table is connected with this dimension table. Then with the time key, this dimension table with the branch key, this dimension table with the item key, and this dimension table with the location key. But these dimension tables are required by fact table as well. So here we also have item key. That means this dimension table item is used by fact table and shipping fact table as well. The time key dimension, we have time key to link this fact table with the time dimension table. So this time dimension table is also used by both the fact tables. Then we have the shipper key, which is used to connect with the shipper information only. Then we have from location, which is used by both the fact tables, shipping as well as sales. Then the to location, which is only used by this fact table. And so, in this way, this fact constellation schema looks like a galaxy of stars. Thanks for watching the video.